How to buy crypto from Coinmarketcap. So if you want to buy crypto from Coinmarketcap, then what you need to do is first you just need to open up your crypto application, or you need to simply open up your Coinmarketcap. Once you open up your Coinmarketcap, you need to go for the Bitcoin section. To complete your first purchase, you'll need to select the coin you wish to buy on the exchange. Exchanges have a trade section, and within this you'll need to choose a coin such as Bitcoin, etc., or any other crypto assets. So the assets are traded in pairs. The large coins will have pairs that match the main government currencies. This means that you can buy directly from the USD, EUR, GBP, etc. into your coin of choice. Purchases can either be made at the current market price, or you can set a price that you would like to buy at. If you set your price too far below the current market price, your deal might not be concluded for some time, or possibly never. It will only be concluded if the assets falls to the price that you have entered. Many smaller coins and assets do not have pair with flat currencies. To buy or sell these, you need to transact through another asset, which is usually the Bitcoin, ETH, or a stable coin based on the US dollar. To do this, you need to select a coin, select the BTC, and then make your purchase. A few seconds later, your account will show you holding Bitcoin rather than your deposit currency. Now you can select a new trade using the Bitcoin as one half of the pair and your coin of choice as the other. The exchange will be concluded at the current coin to coin market rate. That's how you can buy your crypto from CoinMarketCap. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.